November has been hitting me like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I create beauty, fashion and lifestyle vlog, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's vlog, I don't know what to call it, but let me just say it's going to be a maintenance vlog. So November has been hitting me like this. If you understand, you understand. It has been very busy. Jobs have been coming in, I have work to do, I've been designing, and I've not had rest for myself. It was good, I made money, but I felt sick. Like very sick. Very sick that I was scared it was COVID. Yes. I don't know if you can tell from my voice. My voice is still not completely clear. I was even vlogging at a point, then I felt sick and I stopped vlogging. I don't know if I'm going to leave those clips. Maybe I will leave those clips. But right now I'm going to the mall. I'm going to ShopRite. So it's Black Friday in ShopRite, and I want to use the opportunity to get stuffs at a discounted price because I like awoof, and I know you like awoof too. So yes, I want to go to ShopRite to get stuff that I need for myself and for the house. I need to take care of myself. No, I really need to. My hair, if you see my hair, if you see my hair, I'm gonna run. In fact, the clips that are going to play, they will show you how my hair looks like. Then I haven't done my nails in 2 months. I took a break in October because acrylic was dealing with my nail. I don't know if you can see, but this nail is completely, like, it's just on its own. It's not glued to the flesh again. So I decided to take October off and let my nail breathe and just get back to itself. It's now stronger. Before it was breaking off completely. Then November came with work. Like, I prayed for what happened in November, so I will not blame myself. I just wasn't ready or fully in, I don't know how to explain it, but I was not ready for what was coming. So I was getting jobs, like I was going for shoots back to back. And I was sewing too. I was making dresses for people. So, and I was trying to meet up with the deadline of both. Then I had work too to attend to, then creating content. So like I didn't find like a good balance with all of that. So it choke and affected me, and small stress. That stress now gave me a very bad flu. Like I was confused. I've never had a flu that will last up to 1 week. It still hasn't gone completely, but it's much better, like very better. So I want to treat myself nice. I want to now take this time to attend to myself, my hair, my nails, my skin too, and my body in general. I think my immune was just down at that point, and because of stress. So I want to revive all of that and bring hot girl back. Besides, Christmas is coming very soon. I need to look nice for the holiday, and this my December. I want to live soft. I want to ease stress as much as possible. So enough of the rambling. I hope you guys will like this video, and thank you for all the love in my previous videos. Please keep on watching, subscribe, help the girl, support the girl, and let's go. Guys, I'm here and there's no trolley. Like, I don't know if I'm going to carry the stuff I want to buy with my hand. This is serious. I want to buy a lot. That means I came here late and this is just past 12.
promise I'd lead you astray. Yeah, we are something, and I want something. Back in your basement, hometown, yeah, baby, I'm wasted on you. Nothing we tasted. 1, 2, baby, I'm faded. Baby, I'm faded. Back in your basement, hometown, baby, I'm wasted on you. Nothing we tasted. 1, 2, yeah, baby, I'm faded. Baby, I'm faded off of you. I want my hand as your necklace. You got my heart on your checklist, girl. I know that this is reckless. Is it wrong that I want you, girl? What a dream, what a dream, what a dream. Oh, shit. Yeah, Virgo girl, you're a queen, you're a queen. Yeah, I'm a hopeless romantic. Hope you don't take me for granted. Better not leave me here stranded. I wanna be yours. Back in your basement, hometown, yeah, baby, I'm wasted on you. Nothing we tasted. 1, 2, yeah, baby, I'm faded. Baby, I'm faded. Back in your basement.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and I just finished working out. That's why I'm sweating like this, so don't worry about it, I'm fine. I wanted to show you guys what I got from ShopRite for myself. I know you saw a lot of loads and nylon, but most of it were house stuffs. So what I got for myself, like personal needs, was not much, sha. Let me take this off. Yes. So this is just it. I got the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff shampoo. If you watched my last video about dealing with dandruff, if you have not watched that video, go and watch it. Link is going to be in the description box. I said I always use anti-dandruff shampoo. I usually use Long Reach white tea shampoo. That shampoo is like the best, honestly, take it from me. But I am out of that one and I need to wash my hair. I can't wait to do the whole ordering and waiting for it to come. So since I was going to ShopRite to get stuff, I decided to buy this one. And let me just try it. If you want a review of this product, let me know. I've heard people talking about it a lot. I've not used their product except their leave-in straightener, leave-in conditioner, and this is very good, like very, very good, and it smells really nice. So I got the anti-dandruff shampoo, the leave-in straight Suzanne cannot talk. I got the anti-dandruff shampoo, the leave-in straightener, and a deep conditioner. Now I know that these things are too small for my hair, but I don't want to buy and not like it. Okay, I like this, so this aside, I don't want to buy and not like it and now have leftover. So it's better to just buy this size, and they are quite affordable actually. I think this my receipt is not here. I think one should be like 600 something and one should be 700 something, but I don't know which one is which. I'll check my receipt and put the price on the screen. Then I got hand sanitizer because I ran out. Plus I think Harmattan is coming, so everywhere is kind of dry and dusty, so please be wearing your nose masks. COVID or not, be wearing your nose masks and get hand sanitizer. Yes, because of my fitness journey, I have been looking for ways to increase my calorie intake, and I heard that energy bars are good. I've not really tried one, so I saw this one, Nestle whole grain fitness energy bar, and this is in cookies and cream flavor. I bought two. I bought cookies and cream and the plain flavor. I tried the plain flavor yesterday, so yes, but this one I'm going to have it maybe later in the afternoon, and it's not expensive for an energy bar. I think it's like 500 naira or for something. Yes. Okay, here's my tripod. Sorry guys. Then I got Summer's Eve freshening spray, and I've always heard nice things about Summer's Eve, so when I saw it I decided to pick it up just to test. Will I be spraying it directly in that area? No. It says that you can spray it on your pads, panty liners and panties, so I think that's what I will do instead. So that's all. Today I am going to take off this long age cornrows and wash my hair and probably make it. So that's what I'll do today. What else do I have planned for self-care today? Oh, and you saw me making my sugar wax yesterday. So today I'm going to wax, I'm going to lose my hair and probably make it. If I get to any other thing, I'll let you guys know. So I'm going to get breakfast. Let's go.
There's no more left to see. There's no more left to see. There's no more left to see. Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one, and I hate to pass out to even one, so I contradict myself. Oh, won't you please forgive me, 'cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The song's a misdirect until it sells and gives you life, so step back in line. So now step back in line. So now step back in line. There's no more left to see. So now step back in line. So now step back in line. There's no more left to see.
Hi guys, so much for a maintenance vlog. I didn't get to do my hair and I just washed it. I just came back from the stage play you guys saw. It was really nice. I met a couple of people I haven't seen in a while, and I think that's it. I'm just going to end the vlog here. and maybe do like a proper maintenance vlog. So I think this will be a regular weekend vlog. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.